In today's video, I'll show you how to set a reminder in Yahoo Mail using the built-in Yahoo Calendar. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign in to your account and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the right side of the screen for the calendar icon. It looks like a small calendar. Click it to open Yahoo Calendar. If you don't see it, expand the side panel so all icons are visible. With the calendar open, click New Event at the top. You can also click directly on a specific date and time in the calendar grid to create an event there. In the event window, enter a clear title for your reminder. Then choose the correct date and time. You can also add a location or description if needed. Next, find the reminder option. Select how early you want to be notified before the event starts. You can choose options like 15 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, or even a day in advance. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your event will now appear on your calendar and you'll receive a reminder based on the time you selected. That's it. You've successfully set a reminder in Yahoo Mail using the calendar feature.